Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the spherical mirrors. First thing, what is spherical mirror? The spherical mirrors are those mirrors in which reflecting surface either curved inward or curved outward. If the reflecting surface of the mirror is curved inward, then it is called concave mirror. Here the reflecting surface of the mirror curved inward, that's why it is called concave mirror. But if the reflecting surface of the mirror curved outward, then it is called convex mirror. Here the reflecting surface, this is the reflecting part or reflecting surface part, so reflecting surface of the mirror curved outward, this is called convex mirror. This concave or convex mirror is a part of sphere. Let us consider this mirror, this concave mirror. It is a part of sphere like this. You imagine a sphere like this, and this is the center of the sphere. This center of the sphere is called center of curvature. This is center of curvature. So this point is midpoint of the mirror. This point is midpoint of the mirror. So this is called pole, denoted by P. Midpoint of the concave mirror is pole, denoted by P. If we draw a line joining the points center of the curvature and the pole, then it is called principal axis. This line is called principal axis, and the distance from center of the curvature to pole is called radius of curvature. This distance is called radius of curvature. What is R? R is radius of curvature. Clear? Then the midpoint of radius of curvature or the line from center of curvature to the pole is called focus. The midpoint of radius of curvature is called focus, and this line from focus to pole is called focal length. Clear? And this, so we can write f focus equal to r by 2 because it is half of radius of curvature. Clear? So focal length equal to r by 2, that means half of radius of curvature. In next video, I will explain you representation of image formed by the spherical mirror using ray diagram. And after that I will also derive the mirror equation, mirror formula, and draw and solve some problems which is very important for your board exam. And please like, share and subscribe my channel. I will explain you everything which is helpful to your board exam. Thank you.